Good evening. It's Tuesday, June 30th, 5:45 p.m. Today we're going to be looking at some research. There's a particular microbiologist I found out about called Michael Lai. He is known as the father of the coronavirus. And I decided to do some digging around his research that's been going on for over 47 years. And after looking at a few articles and some things that he did, and looking at the situation now, here's a compiled report of some things that were found out about him. Alright, so he did say some very wild theories. This isn't proven, but it's still interesting to look at the way this kind of unravels. CDG report number 23, Alive, an intelligent thinking virus. Lai, a Taiwanese microbiologist, is a coronavirus specialist known as the father of the coronavirus, researching since 1973. 1998, viruses are intelligent. They can think, do things we don't expect, adapt to the environment, change to survive. Viruses enter humans by nasal passages, mouths, skin, injection. Many have evolved defenses to help them evade the immune system. Viruses in humans hold a key that allows them to unlock normal molecules on a human cell surface and slip in. Once in, viruses commandeer the cell's nucleic acid and protein-making machinery to replicate. Lai has long probed how these tricky parasites work. He has been interested in RNA viruses, which carry their genetic blueprints in a relatively flimsy apparatus. RNA replication is more prone to mistakes in genetic code, and unlike DNA, new copies of RNA are never proofread, corrected. That got Lai interested in studying the coronavirus, which is made up of 31,000 nucleotides, and it has the longest known viral RNA genome. Conventional wisdom would say that having such a large RNA genome wouldn't work, but coronaviruses break all the rules. 2003, Lai was in the forefront of the original SARS outbreak around this time. The coronavirus, also causes neurological symptoms similar to those of multiple sclerosis. Viruses are more intelligent than human beings. They are older than human history. They know better than humans how to survive. Evolution occurs all the time in viruses. I feel viruses are alive. Viruses can shuffle genes as good as genetic engineers. Fast forward to January 2020. Lai confirmed COVID-19 could spread human to human while the WHO denied and was unsure. Very serious and alarming. It means that it can spread easily. It can easily mutate to be more contagious, deadly. So in January, he was already saying things that people are, trying to catch up on right now. And right after this article from January, he disappeared. Was he silenced from China? Why did the father of the coronaviruses, the leading researcher in these type of viruses, just vanish after January 2020? Why didn't he stay in China studying the virus? Something had to happen there. There's no way such a precious mind that can help in this pandemic just kind of goes under the radar like that. Fast forward once again, June 27th, 2020. Stanford professor says rise in COVID-19 cases is proof that virus is tracking human behavior. Now, this is I talked about it before. It's a very strange story coming out of Stanford. And it kind of ties into what Lai was talking about. Now, I emailed him. He has a email address that I found. Send email, and I want him to elaborate on this theory. And if he does get back to me, I'll definitely report on that. And that's all I got. I'll see you at the next video.